Miss Janet here from the Stouffville Library. I just have a craft idea for you today. So I hope you're ready for some fun. So the only things you're going to need are, I need you to find 2 toilet paper rolls. And then what you're going to do to those are you're going to color them. So you're either going to use paint or markers. So today I've brought some green paint because that's what I used green paint, and I painted mine all green, and then you have to let it dry, of course. Or if you don't have paint or you don't want to paint, you could always use markers or crayons. So I have a selection of colors, so you can just do it any color you want. You can do it all the same color or all different colors, it doesn't matter. So there you have your 2 rolls and paint or markers or crayons, because what we're going to make is a pair of binoculars. So as I said, I used green paint, so I painted my 2 rolls all green. And then what you're going to do after they dry is get some glue and glue them together. So I just got my trusty glue, put a bead of glue down the center, and I stuck them together. You might have to hold it for a minute to make sure they stick together really well. And then you can decorate them, the 2 rolls, however you choose. So after you've colored them, especially if you've used paint, make sure you let it dry. And then I found some stickers. I had a really cool sheet of stickers, and so I chose stickers, and I put stickers all around. I've got some stars and some happy faces just to make it fun. And then you might want to put a decoration of some other sort around. So I found this. It was actually some kind of a ribbon, but I cut the flowers apart and I glued flowers around the bottom on both sides. So that just makes some color, it makes it look pretty, it adds decoration. And then the only other thing you're going to need to find is some ribbon or string or rope that you can put on so that you can loop them together, put them around your neck, and take them on your adventure. Maybe you're going to go out in your backyard, and I'm outside right now. I could spy some animal. I just saw a chipmunk go walking by just a moment ago, so I could put up my binoculars and have a good look at that chipmunk. Or maybe I'm going to watch some birds. I have a bird feeder, so I can watch the birds at my bird feeder. Whatever you choose. But I hope that you will look and find those 2 rolls that you need, and some paint or markers or crayons, and color, and then decorate both sides of your binocular rolls, and then get some glue and glue those 2 rolls together. Find some ribbon or some rope or string, and I used my stapler to attach the ribbon, so that ribbon should stay on there quite well, but you could always use glue for that part as well. So I hope that you will make a set of binoculars today. I just saw a squirrel go nipping along my yard, and I hope you'll have fun using your binoculars in your backyard or in your house, wherever. But have fun doing a craft today, and I will see you soon with another idea. Hope you have a great day. See you soon. Bye for now.